Have you been dreaming about a remodel, but it feels like a distant reality? We talk about how it may be closer than you think on this week's Team Tuesday.
Hello, I'm Jenny, and this is Mike. You know, Mike, I feel like everyone I talk to lately has a home project that they keep putting off, like the kitchen they've been mentally redesigning for 2 years, or the bathroom that really needs to be refreshed.
Oh, absolutely. Or that outdoor space where you're like, I'll get to it someday, and someday never comes.
Right. But here's the thing. A lot of homeowners are sitting on something that could actually make those projects happen, and they don't even realize it.
We're talking about home equity, and the numbers around this right now are kind of wild. Homeowners are expected to spend over $522 billion on home improvements by the end of 2026.
And they're not draining their savings to do it. They're using their equity. So let's just quickly break down what equity actually is, because it's simpler than it sounds.
Super simple. Equity is just the difference between what your home is worth and what you still owe on your mortgage. That's it.
And according to Cotality, the average homeowner today has about $313,000 worth of equity. That is a significant number.
It really is. And when you look at what people are actually using that equity for, home improvements are number one. About 45% of people borrowing against their equity are putting it towards upgrades. Some are using it for debt consolidation, others for investing in more property.
But here's what we want to pump the brakes on just a little bit. This is important. Just because you can use your equity doesn't mean you should use it for every project.
Exactly. A new front door, great project, but probably not something you need to tap your equity for. Revamping your kitchen, that's where equity can really come in and carry some of the financial weight.
So how do you know which projects are actually worth it? That's where a real estate agent can genuinely be your best resource. The National Association of Realtors actually says helping sellers prioritize improvements and maximize their net on a sale is one of the key things agents bring to the table.
Because an agent knows our market. They know what buyers in our area are responding to, what's going to move the needle on your home's value, and what's just going to cost you money without much return.
And if you do decide to move forward with a bigger project using your equity, you also want to sit down with a financial advisor just to make sure you're maintaining your healthy loan-to-value ratio after you borrow. You want to protect yourself financially in the process.
So here's the bottom line. Whether you're thinking about selling in a year or you're just ready to finally love your space again, the right improvements today can set you up for a big win tomorrow.
And your equity might already be the key to making it happen.
So, what's that one project you've been sitting on? Wondering if it's actually worth it?
Have a quick conversation with us. We can help you figure out if it makes sense for your home, your market, and your goals.
That's what we're here for.
All right, go look at that kitchen again. We'll talk soon. Just reach out to us at 970-589-7700.
And thanks for watching Team Tuesday. Have a great day.